Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to open a 2018 Topps Series 1 baseball. This was a hot pack from eBay. Let's see what we win. Here's your pack. By the way, I hope I pronounce all these players' names right. Some of them are pretty tough. Let's open it. Ooh, there's a good card. We'll put it in the back. Shin-Soo Choo. Mike Moustakas. Aaron Sanchez. Avisail Garcia. Ivan Nova. Javier Baez, Juan Jasso, Eduardo Rodriguez, Todd Frazier, Dominique Smith, that's a rookie card, Orlando Arcia, Eric Fetty, whatever, Chris Sale, Steven Strasburg, Rafael Devers, upside down, Ian Kinsler. This is one of your old type cards. Kenta Maeda, I think it is. Legends of the in the making, Mike Trout. Chris Bryant from the Cubs. Mark Reynolds, Neil Walker, Brandon Finnegan, the Angels team card, well, can you pick that up? Colorado Rockies team card, Marlins team card, Pat Villica, I guess, Lance Lynn, Jordan Zimmerman, Chris Archer, James McCann, Kevin Keimer, Nate Jones, Chad Kuhl, and look what we got here. Kenta Maeda. Alright, that's a relic card. It says game used relic. Congratulations, you have received Major League material from 2018. Alright, good card. Got a lot more of these coming. Stay with us. Please like and subscribe. Here's some of the cards I picked out I thought was the better cards. Whether they are worth more, we'll wait and see. Hey, thanks for joining us. See you on the next one.